Hey everybody, it's John with the App Review Zone with another late night video app review. Today we're going to be reviewing the app Wellness Trends. Wellness Trends is an app that helps people with clinical depression track their symptoms, medications, and their well-being. I don't have any experience with depression, so the only thing I really could rate this app on was its appearance and functionality. I'm not sure whether it helps or not, but I definitely think that the review is worth looking at if you are interested in an app that does something like this. So hey, check it out. Alright, so we're going to be reviewing the app Wellness Trends. This is a wellness and symptoms tracker for people suffering from any kind of clinical type depression. And so when you load the app, first starts off with the My Week screen. At the top you can see a list of the wellness checks that I've done so far. I've only done one and I was perfectly happy. If you want to change your mood, you can just click here, and this may look familiar to some people who have done any kind of staying in the hospital. They have these little smiley faces or frowny faces. So let's say you're feeling okay but not great. Move that, you just drag it right in, and it gives you a little pep talk here, and then and it'll tell you where you're at for the day. You can also add symptoms. You can also tell people how you're feeling. So I'm feeling tired. You can save it, and then later on you'll see that it'll track it for you. So that is the well-being screen. Let's go to the first part. This is the meds screen. I don't know any depression meds, so I just added Motrin. And I've taken it already because I had a headache. And it tells you meds taken today, 1 of 1. Current meds, 1. So you can add another med if you want. And you could put, sorry, that was a text, Tylenol. Alright, and I need to take it 1 time daily, and we're going to take that at 10 o'clock at 45 at night, and not a depression med, so we don't check that, and we just click save. And now you see that I've got 2. And if I say I want to take it, see how it says 1 of 2 meds taken. If I click the take button, now I have 2 of 2. If I click it again, it says 1 of 2 again. So you can turn them on and off. You can also set snooze alarms. If there's an alarm set at like at 10:45 or whatever, it's going to go off and it'll tell you. You can also delete them. So if you click on this, scroll down, so you delete this medication, and boom, it's gone. So that is the med screen. The action screen is kind of cool. Gives you a little motivational, motivational thing at the top, and then you can add an action. You can look for, if you don't know an action, you can look for different action ideas. Have lunch with a friend. That's cool. And then you can say, I want to set a reminder, and I want to put a time, and I want to put it at noon. Okay, so now lunch with a friend, and then you click save. And there it is, your actions. So we already did well-being. So this is the report section. So here you can see the wellness timeline. The last 30 days, 60 days, or you can set a custom time frame. Wellness ratings. You can also see a list of med reports and also your symptoms. And then back to your symptoms. There's also a guide or a more section which has a user guide in it. There's also a learn more section where you can join a community, pin settings, resources, different helpful things that are written here. Overall, like I said, the interface on this app is really great. It's very simple, clean, easy to use, very easy to navigate. I picked this up and I was able to use it right away without even having to think about it. It's not too complicated at all. Anybody who has any kind of experience using an iPhone can definitely use this app. A child could use this app. The fact of what it does, It does what it's meant to do very well, tracks your well-being, your actions, your medicines. The reports are nice. I think that the only thing I think that is missing is just a little bit more. I would like to see some connections to resources like, say, Amazon for different books that people could order, or I don't know about YouTube, but maybe different videos that might be stored on there on some kind of a server, or a cloud service where people could watch videos, or definitely they could link videos from YouTube that they find helpful. That would be kind of nice. I don't necessarily think there needs to be a social aspect to this app because I don't think it's designed for that. It's not a support group, although that would be kind of a cool add-on, or maybe a different app in the future that this company could come up with for people. But like I said, that was Wellness Trends. What'd you think? 4 stars. Like I said before, don't have any experience with clinical depression, but definitely check it out. Go into the App Store, download it. It's free, nothing to lose. And let me know what you think by putting some comments down below. Also, in the description, we've got links to Twitter and Facebook. Please subscribe to our channel. We're looking for more subscribers, trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers still. And we're doing more reviews like this as much as possible. Thanks, and we will see you next time.